Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to reset suggested content on the Instagram app using an Android phone. This feature helps refresh your Explore page and recommendations, especially if your interests have changed. Open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Scroll down through the list of options until you find Content Preferences, then tap on it. Next, tap on Reset Suggested Content. A short message will appear explaining that resetting suggestions helps Instagram show more relevant content. Tap on Next to continue. You'll be taken to a final confirmation screen. Now, tap Reset Suggested Content again. A final prompt will ask you to confirm. To confirm, tap Reset Suggested Content one more time. After this, your suggested content will be reset, and Instagram will begin recommending new posts based on your latest activity. That's it! You've successfully reset your suggested content on Instagram. This quick method ensures your Explore feed reflects your current interests. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech guides.